Hello children, today's topic is our environment. Since many years, human activities have caused damage to our environment. Look at this picture. Can you state some environmental friendly activities? Correct. Plantation and throwing of garbage in dustbin are environmental friendly activities. Other activities are harmful for environment. Human activities have caused many environmental issues. Pollution is one of them. Children, you must be familiar with the word environment. All living beings such as plants, animals and microorganisms and non-living beings such as air, water and soil together form our environment. Everything that surrounds us is called environment. Today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about pollution. The introduction of harmful substances into the environment due to human activities is called pollution. There are mainly 4 types of pollution. These are air pollution, water pollution and land pollution and noise pollution. Now we are going to study about the air pollution. As name suggests, when air gets contaminated with harmful substances is called air pollution. These harmful substances are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, greenhouse gases, lead particles, etc. Now, how it is caused? It is caused by burning of garbage, smokes released from industries and vehicles, uses of AC, fridge, which releases CFC gases, and also releasing of methane gas from the animal waste. Nuclear power station also release harmful gases into the atmosphere. It causes respiratory tract diseases such as asthma, cancer and bronchitis. Now, how we can prevent it? Restrict the use of vehicles and electricity. Tall chimneys with filter should be installed in factories. Next topic is water pollution. Contamination of water bodies with harmful substances is called water pollution. Household and industrial waste released into water bodies and human activities such as washing clothes or bathing animals in rivers cause water pollution. Children, spilling of oil also responsible for water pollution. Consumption of this contaminated water can cause jaundice, diarrhea, cholera, etc. It is harmful for aquatic animals. To prevent this, before being released into water bodies, waste should be treated with chemicals. Next topic is land pollution. What is land pollution? Presence of harmful substances in the soil is called land pollution. In this picture, you can see garbage has been thrown out openly which causes land pollution. What are these garbages? They are solid waste such as plastic bags, glass bottles and metal containers causes land pollution. Now, these waste release toxic substances which reduces the soil fertility. You can also see another picture below that depicts deforestation. Deforestation causes soil erosion. What we can do to prevent it? We should plant more trees, minimize the use of pesticides and fertilizers. Proper waste management should be followed. Now next is noise pollution. Look at this picture. In this picture you can see the sources of noise pollution. What are these sources? They are loudspeakers, vehicles, watching television in high volume. Therefore, exposure to loud noise over a long period of time is called noise pollution. It may cause deafness, nervous disorder, headache, stress, insomnia, etc. How we can control it? By keeping the noise level below 70 decibel, which is the standard level for noise. Trees must be planted as the thick branches and trunks absorb sound. Avoid bursting noisy firecrackers. Do not honk unnecessarily, especially while passing by a school or a hospital. Thank you, children.